Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two CRM platform called Pipedrive and the Nutshell CRM. So I'm going to create a quick review about the strength and the weakness of this platform in order to help you make an informed decision about these two platforms so you can have a best service of sales in order to boost your CRM in 2025. So to get started with the overview about these two platforms. So starting with Pipedrive. Pipedrive is a sales first CRM known for its visual pipeline and the automation tools. It's built specifically to help sales teams track, manage, and close deals more effectively. Now, talking about the Nutshell CRM, it's an all-in-one CRM designed for small to mid-sized businesses, combining sales automation, email marketing, and reporting in a more traditional CRM layout with a built-in collaboration tools. Now, talking about the strength and weakness together with the pricing plan for this platform, which is Pipedrive. Pipedrive has a easy to use visual sales pipeline, which is part of the strength. It also comes with a strong automation and activities tracking with a powerful reporting and the forecast tools. Now, talking about the weakness of this platform, it lacks a built-in email marketing, which requires an hands-on. It also has the limited collaboration tools compared to some CRMs, which is competitor CRMs. It also has the best suited only for sales, not full business operation. And they have a pricing plan which starts between $9.90 per month. And talking about the Nutshell CRM, picking the strength over the weakness first. It has a built-in email marketing and a campaign tracking, which is part of the strength of this platform. It also comes with a strong collaboration teams, communication features, and a clean, clear, friendly interface with a solid customization. Now, talking about the weakness of this platform, they have a less visual dynamic and a dynamic pipe drives. Now, talking about this, it doesn't have a fewer third-party integration than a like CRM. Now, talking about the pricing, it start at $16 per month, and the foundation plan with a pro plan of $42 per month per user. And here's the overall conclusion about this platform. Choose Pipedrive if your focus is strictly on improve and managing your sale pipeline with speed and clarity. And also you can also choose Nutshell CRM if you want a more balanced CRM that cover both CRMs and cover marketing and needing extra tools for your sales. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms and how they can help you boost your CRM sale.